Sometimes we just want things to work right inside DaVinci Resolve, whether we're importing something, we're importing a graphics, importing some arrows or some effects into the Resolve. We just want it to work. And today, I'm gonna show you guys how to export a transparent video for your graphics. Alright guys, right now we're in DaVinci Resolve and I have just downloaded a video of arrows, graphic arrows to use in my videos. Currently, this video has a black background and we want to make it transparent so we can use it in our future video without having to remove the background over and over again. And this is how you do it. Okay, first step, let's right click our clip and create a new timeline with selected clip. And now we got our arrow element. So the first step is to remove whatever intro this videos have. And I'm gonna come right at this frame, we're gonna trim, we're gonna cut it, and we're gonna remove it from the timeline. Second step, we want to go to the Fusion page. We're at the Fusion page and we're gonna hit space, shift space to bring up Luma Keyer. This is our Luma Keyer, and hit add. Let's look for a frame that we can see our arrows. I think there is fine, right there is fine. Okay, this is a big one. We can use this as our hero frame. So let's pick right here and just click on the black area. There you go. You're done. Okay, now we're gonna go back to our edit page and then we wanna separate all these effects into individual clips. So let's go in and let's play right at this frame. I'm gonna hit Control and the slash button, Control slash to make a cut right here. I'm gonna keep playing. I'm gonna repeat this until everything is being separated with a cut. Alright, I just done with all the cuts right here. And also, by the way, right now I'm using a checkerboard background. So when you remove your background and you're not sure if your background has been removed, you can go here to timeline view option and go view background. You can choose the background that you want. If yours is set to black, it might not be too obvious that your background has been removed. So this is one thing to check right here. You can hit alert red to see like the total differential of a black background or a transparent background. Okay, so I'm going to change this back to checkerboard. And right now, I've done with all the cuts and we are ready to export. Let's go to the deliver page. Then you're going to pick your export location. And then we want to go to video format, QuickTime. And then codec, we want to pick GoPro CineForm. And then type, we want it to be RGB 16-bit. And you can see here, this is export alpha. And we're going to tick that export alpha, okay? And right at the top, we want to change single clip to individual clips so that all the cuts that we made are being exported into different videos. We can name this arrows, and then we can also go to audio right here and uncheck export audio because there are no audio in this. After you're done with the export settings, just click to render queue, and then we're gonna hit render all. And also, by the way, guys, when you are in the deliver page, the background is gonna turn itself back to black, so there's no need to be worried about it. Your video is perfectly transparent. If in the edit page it is transparent, and when you deliver it is going to be transparent, so don't need to worry about that. So right now we're done exporting. Let's go to our file and we can see that all our exported video has been segmented into little bits, separate bits, and then we can just create a new bin for the arrows. Let's call it arrows, and then we can select them and drag them into our bin. We can come back here, create a new timeline, yes, and then we can bring in maybe some other clips, maybe this one, right? And we can go to arrows and bring that in, arrows and bring that in. There you go, we got a transparent background. So there you go, guys. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up and also consider subscribing for more video like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.